What is the best way to prepare your hair for balayage? Schedule a consultation with your stylist to discuss your desired balayage look and maintenance plan. Avoid washing your hair 24 to 48 hours before your appointment to let natural oils protect your scalp. Use a deep conditioning treatment a week before to keep your hair hydrated and strong. If your hair is dry, brittle, or previously processed, consider a bond repair treatment like Olaplex before balayage. Stay away from heat styling, chemical treatments, or clarifying shampoos leading up to your appointment. Trim split ends before balayage so the color blends smoothly and looks fresh. Bring inspiration photos to show your stylist exactly what look you want to achieve. Ask about toners or gloss treatments, which may be needed to perfect your balayage shade. Wear a button-down or loose-fitting top to your appointment to avoid ruining your fresh balayage. Be ready for aftercare, including sulfate-free shampoo, heat protection, and purple shampoo for blondes. Don't deep condition right before the appointment, as it can create a barrier that affects color absorption. Proper preparation ensures your balayage looks seamless, radiant, and long-lasting.